The next step is to cut this out, and we're going to use a small router. Now this one is permanently set up with this little flush trim bit. It's the round based one. The one has a round base, not the square one. However, we need a hole first to where to put it in so we can route it out. So we take a drill bit with a 1/4 inch bit and just drill through the areas that need to come out. And one there. It's very, very thin. It's almost paper thin, so there's not going to be a lot to it. Take your router, make sure your glasses are on, and go through it.